Introducing Project Race by E.C.D Automotive Design, a bespoke, custom-built Land Rover Series 3 that redefines adventure. Power meets precision with a GMLS 3 V8 engine and 5-speed manual transmission, upgraded Fox shocks, and EBC fast brakes ensuring unmatched performance. Elegance in motion, upgraded finish in Fuji white eggshell, riding on 16-inch Wolf wheels wrapped in BFG all-terrain tyres. Step inside to a timeless interior, featuring a classic Series 3 dashboard, a wooden NRG Innovation steering wheel, classic white gauges, and Garrett Torino caviar leather seats. Designed to impress with a front-runner full-length roof rack, classic front bumper, and the natural beauty of Sapele wood flooring in the load area. Licensed in Massachusetts and ready for island life with Nantucket decals and local tags for beach driving. This Series 3 fits right in with the Nantucket Island image. With seating for up to 9, including 2 traditional low-back seats in the front row, a 3-seater mid-row and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area, this Land Rover is built for any adventure. Experience luxury with a JL audio sound system and wireless charging. Project Race is where luxury meets adventure. This unique one-of-one vehicle is available now. Contact our sales team for more details and make it yours today.